As you are aware, Sony Video Communications has concluded the Ford Lincoln Mercury sale. We will start shipping approximately 4,000 systems July 15 with a completion target date of September 1. There is no doubt regarding the important role you, as a Sony Video Products dealer, are going to play. You are vital to the success of this venture. And with your help, we should both enjoy long and short-range benefits from this program. This videotape will outline the Ford Lincoln Mercury S&I. Each system will include one CKV 1900F TV receiver and one LDP 1000 Laserdisc player. These units will be placed in a TV stand for permanent display at Ford Lincoln Mercury dealer locations. Now, let's take a closer look at this package. The TV stand comes completely assembled and should be out of the shipping carton when you arrive. Each Ford dealer should have a demonstration disc which explains the player operation. Be sure he has this on hand when you make your appointment. Unpack the player, making sure to retrieve the commander, F-type connecting cable, and the instruction manual. And don't forget the commander cable. You should advise the Ford dealer to save the carton for possible future use. Next, install the 3 AA batteries supplied with the player in the commander. Tilt the player by turning it up on its back and release the shipping screw counterclockwise until it's dangling. It won't fall out. If this is not done, the laser boat will be anchored and unable to move. Scanning the disc will be impossible. Should it ever become necessary to ship the player, make sure the shipping screw is secured prior to transport. Be sure to tell your dealer about this and show him how to adjust the indicator. First, tilt the player up. Then center the indicator in the window by turning the thumb wheel. You will now be able to secure the shipping screw with a clockwise turn. On the rear of the player, the RF modulator switch should be set to either channel 3 or channel 4, depending on which channel is open in your area. Apply the hotline sticker to the side panel. The other sticker should be placed on the back of the TV stand itself. You can now place the player on the TV stand. Next, unpack the CKV 1900F, making sure to retrieve the instruction manual and connectors. Advise your dealer to save the carton. Now, connect the F cable to VTR in on the back of the CKV 1900F. Then place the TV on the stand and drop the power cable and F cable through the slot in the cabinet to the lower shelf. Connect the F cable from the TV to the player VHF out. And now connect the TV power cable to the convenience power receptacle on the player. The player power cable can then be connected to any convenient AC outlet. Now let's take a closer look at the player. The lid of the disc compartment will not open unless the power is turned on. So press the power switch. Then press the release button located in the upper left front. The lid will pop up slightly and you'll be able to open the compartment. Remove the laser lens cap and store it on the post located on the inside left rear of the lid. This cap protects the lens. If not removed, the laser will be unable to see and the disc will not have any communication with the player. This will result in no picture on the screen. The demo disc may now be placed on the turntable with the program title on the mirrored side facing up. Close the lid firmly. The disc will now start to rotate. It should attain the speed of 1800 RPM in 8 seconds. The standby lamp will blink until it does come up to speed. The commander may now be placed in the player slot provided, or used remotely in the wireless mode by pointing the commander toward the sensor on the player. It can also be connected with a supplied cable. At this point, you should have a picture if the TV is tuned to either channel 3 or 4. If you don't have a picture, Check the antenna switch on the front of the player to make sure it is set to VDP for video disc player. And check that the input switch on the front of the TV is set to VTR. From here on, the demo disc will give you instructions. If these instructions are followed, they will make competent operators out of all personnel. After the installation and instruction is completed, make sure the serial numbers are recorded on the S&I certificate and that the Ford Lincoln Mercury dealer signs off as operational. Retain the last copy for your records and then follow the mailing instructions on the bottom of the certificate for the rest of the copies. Reply envelopes will be supplied. A check will be forwarded to your office. Good luck and happy motoring.